Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to a PDF in iLovePDF. Now, let's get started. Watermarks are useful for protecting documents, adding branding and marketing drafts, and also identifying ownership. So we're gonna first open the iLovePDF by searching iLovePDF in your search bar here, and then you're gonna click on this website. Then you're gonna look and open the Watermark PDF tool. Now we're gonna look for the Watermark PDF. Now, as you can see, there are lots of PDF tools. Now we're gonna scroll until you see the bound icon. We're gonna click on it here, and then you're gonna upload your PDF. For example, I'm gonna click select PDF. I'm gonna upload the PDF. Then I'm gonna click on place an image. You're gonna choose whether you want a text watermark or an image watermark. You can customize the font size, the opacity, the position, the color, and the rotation. And many users add watermarks such as confidential, drafts, company logos, or copyright notices. Another huge step is lowering the opacity so the watermark remains visible without making the document difficult to read. Once everything looks good, now for example, you're gonna place the text on, you're gonna choose a page and click on, for example, like this. Add in the watermark. Then once you are finished downloading or adding the watermark, you're gonna click on the download PDF. And just like that, your PDF is downloaded with a watermark. You're gonna view the page. As you can see, this is the watermark right here. It's in all the pages. And that's it. Finally, the watermark helps protect and personalize important documents. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add a watermark in a PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.